Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on the road with my brother, so you know we've been having a bit of a rough time in the hotel to find food, so we finally thought we'd come to a supermarket and pick up a few things. And we're looking at tea, and look, rosemary tea. I don't know if you guys can see. So we're just laughing about that. Milo. Oh dear, shall we pick up a Milo? Look who we want Milo, Brother Prince. Oh. Do you think? So, what do you think would natural? The pure peppermint? To get this, we could give Angelo some as well, couldn't we? Okay. Yeah, so we got some peppermint. This is our trolley. I'll show you what we pick up so far. We got cheeses, some Capri Sun. They found this Capri Sun. My gosh, I don't know if it's going to be any good for them, but that's what they found. And just a few bits and pieces. So
what's this?
That's what we're doing at the moment, guys. What's that, Brother Prince? Oh, Lasco, yeah. Yes.
Right on there.
At the end.
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah. So we're getting Lasco for Angelo because I swear the boy's losing weight since he's been here. They got carrot. You think that's a good one, or probably try banana or something like that? Or vanilla. Yeah. They got chocolate as well. I think I'll take a couple of strawberries. You see vanilla? Cream of malt. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 vanilla. This is strawberries and 2 cream of malt. What's that like, Brother Prince? The cream of malt.
Like vanilla.
Yeah, 2 cream of malt. And I think the banana is here. Or the vanilla. Oh, that's vanilla. We stick with your ones and then try and get some banana ones. I don't see any banana ones. I think this will do. Brother Prince. What do you think? One of the big ones? I think that would be enough for now. Maybe if we try them out and if anything, we'll come back. But yeah. See, Brother Prince getting a phone call. So yeah. Yeah, but yeah, I realised that the kids are losing a bit of weight, so I have to be a bit more smart with the whole survival thing in this. I can see that I'm sweating. I'm going to try and look at the teas in a bit more depth because I don't want to like pick up a few things and then go back in the hotel and have any regrets. It's a good job I tried Angelo before with the Lasco thing. I did buy some in London when I went to Brixton and that went down well. So I know he'll drink that. But his appetite is not as I know it. And I bought some sausages as well. You guys that from Jamaica know about these sausages. I'll show you guys then. I think they're on the other aisle actually. It's Venetian, if I'm saying it right, sausages, and yeah. See, Romar fine bun and cheese. They're just scanning out. Just hoping I go to the till I can pay for it. Yeah, all of what they're taking out is tilly pops. Yeah, so.
Can we get cat food?
No. That hotel got enough cereal to last a lifetime. I'm not buying unnecessary stuff. They've let us down enough. They're the one that should be providing us with food and all of these things. And when I tell you,
it's good.
What is it? You don't even know what it is. Serge, you guys got some drink already and you got plenty of juice. Yeah. So I think we pick up enough. Let's hope. But I'm sweating. I thought there was AC in here. And we got some you have to remember that we got to go to the hotel. Not like we can start cooking up food or anything like that. So, oh, there's Deshane. They haven't seen Deshane. You haven't seen it for ages in a Deshane. So it's we all here and counted for. Yeah. So that's it really. We're just doing a bit of shopping. I'm gonna get some mangoes, but my brother said that he'll go on after the mango because they might just tell me a different price when I get there. So, Angela get on so well with my brother. He's just here not misbehaving, nothing. So yeah guys, that's about it really in the supermarket. I showed you guys more or less what I get. Omar decided to pick up banana cheese as well. So we got some banana cheese. So hopefully if we're starving in the hotel we can pick on some stuff. Yeah, check out Angela.
Smile for me.
He came in here and this is the first hat he grabbed. So we're gonna have to get it for him. My brother took us to a souvenir place and it's pretty nice in here. So Angelo choose what he wants already. It is really good. Oh, these shirts as well. My mom used to do these shirts, you know. Okay, let's see, Tilly. That is pretty, yeah.
This is Jamaica on the bottom.
Who else? I think I'll get this for oh, guys, we you know where the Souvenir sell? We've got an amazing view for you guys. Like, we came upstairs and we're just looking out. And this is the view that you can see. Yeah, there's a speedboat going like crazy down there. There it is. So basically we can stay from here and see the whole of the bottom area. It's an amazing view. And there's the airport out there. I'll see if I can show you guys a bit closer. That's the airport where we landed. You just can see everything from, yeah. The reason why I don't come out often, my gosh, every time you come out, you see things that you wouldn't have seen in the hotel and you buy it, you run out of money, quick time. But yeah, we should be alright for the day, innit, Brother Briggs? We should be alright for the day. Oh no, I didn't, you know. Yeah, over there. I videoed that one. Remember that one? So just say in the vehicle there. Yes. It's amazing. They were saying if there was a plane coming in over there, that would be like the perfect shot. Stop joking, but I'm praying. Yeah. Look, my brother said there's a plane coming in. There is a plane coming in for real. Can I see it?
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait till it gets closer.
Yeah, because right now I'm not even seeing it in the camera. Is that the camera not picking it up? Now I've got it on my hand. Oh, there it is, there it is. I've got it in mine.
Tracking the street,
Can you see it? It's like a little thing in the... Yeah, I've got it in the distance. Yeah, so my brother said to me, it'd be a good job if a plane was coming in. Lo and behold, there is a plane coming in. So I'm trying to track it all the way till it lands. Check it out. that's how we came in. That's Jamaican style landing. Wow. Some pass in this house, and me and my brother talking about in the days when it was like pure rock, and now there's like big houses. It's like a gated community. Yeah, Romar went to school here. Just a minute, Romar, just videoing. We here where Romar used to go to school, Montego Bay Prep. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not allowed to film the kids, obviously, but that's this school building. So this is a little stock. Going back to the room, we made sure we buy juice and everything. And my brother gave me some oranges as well. So yeah, that's Romar. So basically, this is where I'm gonna look to in this vlog. As you saw earlier in the clip, we went to Montego Bay. Well, we stayed in Montego Bay, and so we went in the heart of town basically and got some snacks and stuff. Right now I'm eating my lunch, but it's nothing you guys ain't seeing. Same jerk chicken and rice. Nothing's changed. The only difference is I'm having this drink, a bigger drink. Good ice. It's so sweat and so hot.
She's probably in. He has no idea what you're saying. You have to speak his language.
So excuse me. I'm looking all for flustered and bothered, but yeah.
She be 3 doors down on ye starboard side, matey.
So I'm just gonna
I'll say it.
Down the hall. Hi, matey.
eat some food.
Only the true pirate would understand such strange words.
And I'm gonna sign off this vlog for today. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Not sure. Probably be a bit more about the hotel we're staying at. I'll talk to you guys about some of the experiences we've been having.